Hello there, we just got done watching the movie Elevator Game. This is from 2023. It is a 1 hour, 34-minute horror movie. Horror / suspense, rated R. Social media leads teenager Ryan's desperate search for his missing sister to a ritual game played in elevators, which allegedly accesses another dimension guarded by a dead woman. Yeah, I thought this was actually pretty decent. Kind of a new, like, scary game take. It's kind of like the same concept of a lot of these things, like saying Bloody Mary in a mirror, or calling Candyman, or it's one of those similar type of takes.
In these elevator movies, we've had multiples come out in the past 10 years or whatever.
Yeah, it seems like they're getting more popular.
This is like the third or fourth one. So this is a new take on the previous ones, though. Like, I enjoyed it. Yeah,
I thought it was pretty good. I would give it easily a 3 out of 5 stars.
Yeah,
the acting was okay. Yeah. The story was, like I said, it was pretty good. The casting was fine too. Yeah. It's just some of the, like, bloody gore scenes. I don't know, one specifically that I'm thinking of was just kind of really stupid, and I felt like done poorly. But there is quite a fair amount of like gore and blood, but most of it's just suspense. It's just leading up to certain things happening. There's no jump scares really in this, other than
they could have
maybe at the ending, just a slight one, but for the most part this doesn't really have jump scares. So yeah, it's one I would recommend. I'll see if I can link it below, and if you've seen Elevator Game, let me know what you thought of it. And how many stars did you give it?
3 also.
3 also, yeah. Hey, I'd say for one time through, it's worth watching if you enjoy horror suspense type movies. So, if you have not seen Elevator Game, have you ever seen any movie that takes place in an elevator that you can think of? If you have, let me know what that was, because maybe it's one we want to watch and do a review on.
Missed, yeah.
You never know. Thank you so much for watching this, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.